Right, so tonight we're going to be cooking camping Dutch oven chicken and dumplings. The Dutch oven is basically just the flat bottom pot. We're also cheating a little bit with the cooking because it's not on a fire or anything. Okay, I'm going to cut up the chicken. Onion. Garlic. Okay, and there it is.
2 ribs. That's what you could do.
Right, celery and carrots. Right, so there's the chicken and the onion boiling away. Didn't think the flat bottom cast iron pot would work on the induction, but it's working fine. Putting in the carrots and the celery. It's going to boil away for a while. Right, I'm going to make the dumplings. A half cup. Always good for it again, eh? Yeah, a little bit of garlic in. A little bit of sweet chili. Right, mix it up. Just have to steam it a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Right, so there's my dumpling mix ready to go in. Just waiting for the chicken to simmer away a bit. Dutch chicken pot. Dutch oven chicken pot. Right, I'm going to put the dumplings in. Right, there they are. Let's see how that goes. Right, so there's the end result. We're just about to try this out and see how it goes. Chicken, what? Dutch pot cooking chicken with dumplings. Something like that. Right, so today for lunch we're going to be making a tuna pie. So it's got tuna, potatoes, onions, mayonnaise, egg, flour, and we'll see how it goes.
I'm just peeling them for you.
Right, so Sue's just peeling the potatoes, then we have to grate them.
There you go.
Okay, I'm going to grate the potato. Right, one down, one to go.
1 onion.
Okay, onion.
Okay. 2 tins tuna. 2 eggs.
Right, peppers are in, salt and pepper must go in. Right, now I'm going to put it in a flat bottom pot and then put it on the gas.
I lose your head, eh?
So here goes.
There you go.
Got a goodie here so it doesn't burn on the pot. Lid on. And off we go. Right, we've done the pie in the pot. We'll take it out and see how it looks. Right, there's it. Not looking too bad. Looking good actually.
Tuna pie a la Dave.
Tuna pie. A la Dumplings.